Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete blocked contacts on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then scroll down the apps page and click on the phone app. Then scroll down, locate and click on blocked contacts. Then here you should see all your blocked contacts here. To delete your blocked contacts, simply click on edit at top right, then click on the circled icon like this, then click on unblock. Then repeat the same thing again on all other contacts you have here. Click on edit, then remove the contact like this. Then click on check mark, and then if you go back again, you should see all your blocked contacts are now unblocked or deleted. So that is exactly how to delete blocked contacts on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.